When you walk into work, you bring more than your skills and your time. You bring your rights. In this video, we'll break down some basic employment law concepts in simple language. This is general information only. It is not legal advice. For advice about your specific situation, always talk with a qualified attorney. Let's start with a big one: protection from discrimination. In many places, it's illegal for employers to treat you unfairly because of things like your race, color, religion, sex, pregnancy, national origin, age, disability, or certain other protected characteristics. This can apply when you're applying for a job, when you're being promoted or fired, and in your day-to-day treatment at work. Harassment can also be a form of illegal discrimination. For example, serious or repeated offensive comments or behavior based on a protected characteristic may be against the law. You don't have to just put up with it. Next, let's talk about wages and hours. In many countries and states, there is a minimum wage. Your employer usually must pay at least that amount, and sometimes more, depending on local rules or your contract. If you're paid by the hour, you may also have a right to overtime pay when you work more than a certain number of hours in a day or week. Some jobs are treated differently, and the rules can be complex. That's why it's important to check your local laws or speak with a professional. You also generally have a right to be paid for the time you actually work. Things like working off the clock, improper paycheck deductions, or not getting your final paycheck may be problems you can challenge. Now, safety. You have the right to a reasonably safe and healthy workplace. Employers usually must follow safety standards, provide necessary training, and give you access to required safety gear. If you see a serious hazard, you may have the right to report it without being punished for speaking up. Keep in mind, employment laws vary by country, state, and even city. Your rights can depend on where you live, what kind of job you have, and whether you're part-time, full-time, or a contractor. If you think your rights may have been violated, consider talking with a qualified employment lawyer or contacting a government labor agency. They can explain how the rules apply in your situation. And if you'd like to create clear, animated explainer videos like this for your own topics, visit vidfactory.ai. You can turn your ideas into professional videos quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and remember, knowing your basic workplace rights is the first step toward protecting them.